Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money trading the Forex market. The Forex market is a huge market, one of the biggest markets in the world, with over $6 trillion traded every day, 5 days a week. That is a lot of money, and you can get a little pinch of that move, then probably that will be exciting. So I'm going to show you the basics of Forex. So if you've never traded Forex, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you basic introduction to the Forex, how to install MetaTrader 4, how to create a demo account and start playing with the market to see how the market moves, to get used to the market. And I'll explain to you the basics of the MetaTrader, and I'll show you how you can enter a trade, okay? Before I jump into details, let me show you a South African guy who is a success story on the Forex market. This is his name is Sandile, and this guy is worth over $2.3 million by May 2020, okay? He started trading Forex at the age of 12. He's in his 20s right now. He became a millionaire at quite a young age thanks to the Forex market. You can check this guy out. But let us go into the video. Let's go into the video. So in this video, we're talking about Forex. What is Forex? Forex simply means foreign exchange, okay? In the Forex market, currencies, we trade currencies. That means you buy and trade it in pairs, which are called crosses, okay? The foreign exchange market is the largest financial market in the world, the largest, with over $6.6 trillion changing hands 5 days a week. So every day there is $6.6 trillion in the Forex market to be made by those who understand how the market moves and can be able to pinch a share of that market, okay? It is a global electronic network of banks, big corporations. These are the players in the Forex market. Banks play in the Forex market. Big corporations like Coca-Cola play in the Forex market. And brokers, okay? So you can be a trader. Some companies trade Forex, okay? All involved in buying and selling national currencies, okay? That's how the Forex market works. Forex market opens 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, okay? It runs from Sunday to Friday. So that's how the Forex market operates. So there are 4 sessions in the Forex market. We have the Sydney session, the Tokyo session, the London session, and the New York session, okay? So Forex is traded in pairs. I'm going to show you practical. I think just to give you an intro before I go into the practical part, show you on my phone how you can learn how to trade Forex. You can actually get some free resources online, and then you can start playing with it on your phone like a game. And once you understand how the market moves, then you can go into a live account. The first currency, like this euro and the USD that you see here, is a currency pair. It's called currency pair, okay? This is euro versus USD. So if you think that the market euro is going to go up, because in Forex, if you think that if you can analyze the market and see that the market is going to go up, you buy. You buy currency low and you sell high, and that's how you make profit, okay? Drop, you sell. So even if the market goes up or it goes down, you can still make money. You make money when the market goes up. You make money when the market goes down. It's like when you're traveling from one nation to another, you have to exchange your money for your currency for that nation's currency. Okay, so when you exchange that currency, you're using your currency to buy that other currency. So let's say while you were gone, within that time, that currency of that new nation that you now have in your hands gained value as compared to your currency. When you're coming back to your nation and your currency has gone down, that's how Forex works. That's the same thing. It's the same thing that is happening electronically. The first currency is called the base currency, and the second one is called the quote currency. You know, those are Forex terms that you're gonna get used to with time. Why is Forex so popular? Because you can trade Forex anywhere in the world, from your kitchen table to your bedroom, your garage, to anywhere in the world. In Africa, in Europe, in America, you can travel while making money on your phone on the go. That's how Forex works. If you have and like to travel, take your track on your phone. You don't even need a laptop. Once you have a phone and a good internet connection, you can trade Forex. Forex is trade, okay? So that's how Forex works. So you can start Forex with as low as $200 if you want to go live. But you can start learning Forex for free on a demo account I'm going to show you today in this video, okay? What do you need to trade Forex? You need a trading platform. In this case, we're going to use MetaTrader 4. You can install on your Android phone on your day. Either of them works perfectly with Forex. and you need a broker account. I'm going to show you how you can get a free broker account to start playing around with the market, to learn how to trade the market. Okay, then you need a charting solution. Now, MetaTrader 4 has its own charting system embedded, okay? But also, there's a free website that you can also optionally use. It is called tradingview.com. It has a lot of resources that you can use for trading Forex. And you can start with a free account as long as you want to. You just have some limited privilege, but you can. It's good enough to trade with a free account on TradingView. So you can check that on another. I'm going to talk about TradingView in another video. So if you like what you're hearing in this video, please kindly subscribe to this channel so that when I upload new content, you'll be notified. Okay. And if you like to have a follow-up video to know the details of Forex, please leave a comment and I will make more videos if I get caught with Forex. So right now we're going to go into the practicals. I'm going to take you to my phone and show you exactly how you can install this MetaTrader 4 and start trading Forex today. So guys, this is my MetaTrader 4 and these are some trades that I took the other day. You see, I made a profit of about $150 on my demo account by selling these currencies. All of them were sales. So let me show you how you can install MetaTrader 4 and start playing on the Forex market. So what you do, first of all, if you are having an Android phone, is to go to the Play Store, okay? Or if you're having iPhone, you can, or iPad, you can go to where they install apps, okay? And you look for, just say MT4 like this, MetaTrader 4. This is it. So you look for MetaTrader 4 Forex Trading, and then you install it. Hit install and let the application be installed on your phone. MetaTrader 4 has a version for iPad and also for computer. If you're on your computer, you can also install MetaTrader 4 as well and begin to trade the Forex market. So after you install your MetaTrader 4, it will appear like this on your phone. Then you just click on this icon and it will open. Okay, so on this screen you have the quote screen. You see quote here. So we're going to first of all create a demo account. A demo account is a free account that you can begin to practice Forex on. You don't have to pay for this. It's all free. So what we do to create a demo account is to come here and click on get started. Get started. Okay, so we click, okay, let me show you again. You click on this plus sign here and you see open a demo account. Up here you see open a demo account. So we're going to type, just you click on open a demo account. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section and I will respond to your question. Okay, and if you like this video, please kindly subscribe to this channel and give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. Thank you so much. So we're going to search for Who Goes Way here. Who Goes Way demo. Okay, Who Goes Way demo. As you see here, you click on it and then you're going to create, you put your name. My name is Hillary. Put your phone number, whatever the number is. Okay, and then you put an email address. Okay, just enter an email address here. Yahoo.com, and then you create. Oh no, before you go, you have to change this amount here. This is the leverage, but change the amount to the basic. The least amount that you can play with is $3,000. okay, $3,000, but you can also change this currency, but I'm going to leave it for dollars. $3,000 here, and you click create account. Okay, yeah, so it's creating the account right now, allocating demo account. That's what's happening. Let's just give it a moment for the account to be set up, and then we can go from there. Maybe it's taking some time because these details I used were not correct. Give me a moment, please. Okay, yeah, the account is already there, so let's sign in. This is the account. Okay, oh, this is man, this is a lot of money. Anyway, let's leave it for now, but you should not go with $100 $100,000. Go with 3,000 like I showed in the previous video. So we come on this screen. These are the currency pairs here. Okay, these are the different currencies that you can trade. So like for example, AUD and USD. The first one here, this is Australian dollar versus US dollar. Okay, so I'm going to explain details in another video to tell you about the spread and all of these other things, but for now I'm just going to introduce you to the currency pairs. So these are the currency pairs, and you can add currency pairs if you want to trade a pair. Let's say USD, for example, US dollar versus euro. Okay, and it's not on this quote screen. You click on this plus sign up here, and then you're going to see crosses, FS crosses. That's where you have all the currency pairs. These are all the different currency pairs. So we're looking for, let's say we're searching for USD versus let's just say USD, and we'll see all the USD pairs will show up here. Okay, these are all the USD pairs. Okay, if you wanted to trade any of them that is not already on the quote screen, you can just come here and then you get it added. Okay, once you click there, it's added already. And also you see with this MetaTrader 4, you don't only trade for forex pairs. You can trade exotics, you can trade indices, you can trade futures, you can trade stocks, you can trade energy, metals, and cryptos. You can trade cryptocurrencies also with this same MetaTrader 4 platform. Okay, so now we've seen the different currency pairs. Let me go back and show you more. I'm just gonna, maybe, let's say I just come like to, this is just much. Okay, let's go back to quotes. These are the quotes now. If I wanted to trade, let's say I wanted to trade USD versus Japanese yen, this one, that's USD versus Japanese yen. When I click here, you see new order. New order means that you want to enter a new trade. Okay, the second one is open chart. That means you want to see the chart. I said to trade for us, you need to have a charting platform. So those are the two important ones that you should know: new order and open chart. Let me open the chart and show you. This is the chart. This is the chart of how this market is moving. The chart shows you how the market is moving. Okay, and on this chart there are different time frames that you can check. This particular one right now is a 5-minute time frame, as you see here, M5. So it means that each of these candles that you see here, these are called Japanese candles. Each of these candles is 5 minutes. Each candle is 5 minutes. So like you see from here, for example, the market is going up. You see the market going up. It means that when the market is going up, what do? You're supposed to buy. If you buy and the market goes up, you make money. But if you sell and the market goes up, you will lose. So when you analyze the market, you see the market is going to go up, you buy, and then the market will go up. When the market goes up, then you make profit. On the other hand, if the market goes down, if the market is going down, right, and then you sell, you make money while the market is going down. Okay, so these are the different time frames. You can have 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and all of that, up to 1 day, 1 week, and even 1 month. So if I go to, let's say if I went to 1 hour, it means that each of these candles right now is 1 hour. It takes 1 hour to move from one candle to another. But also you can trade on the 5-minute time frame, which means it takes 5 minutes for the market to move from one candle to another. Okay, let me just show you. Then I'm going to show you how you can enter a trade. Okay, so if we came back to the to this base again, and then we click on this same currency pair, USD Japanese yen, and wanted to open a trade, we'll go to new order. New order will take you here where you see, this is where you enter trade. If I wanted to buy, this is buy down here. You see below the screen here, you see buy and sell. You buy, you can either buy or sell. So you see here on this where I click, you see market execution. Market execution means that you want to enter the market right now. But if you want to enter the market at some point, whether in the future, right, either by buying or selling, you can set either a buy stop or a buy limit. A buy stop means that you should enter the market at this particular point. I'm going to explain that. So if you have any question, please just leave a comment and I'll make a video to explain, to answer your questions. or I can even text you. There's also a sell limit, which means that you want to sell the market at a particular entry. But let's do market execution for the purpose of this video. Now, when you on the first line here, where you have 0.1, that is where you have 0.1 right now, where I'm clicking right now, that is called the spread. The spread is where you decide how much you want to risk, is where you determine your risk to reward ratio. Okay, and this spread is determined by how much you have in your account and how much you're willing to risk in the forex market. Okay, the forex market can be volatile, so you have to be able to do proper risk management. That's another video that you can check online about risk management in forex market, and you see videos on that. Okay, so if I had, let's say if I had like a $1,000 account, I'll probably want to do like a 0. let's say 20. Now this means that when you trade the forex market, you deal with something called the pips. You're going to understand pips in another video. For example, in this, when you see these numbers here, where you have on the left, the number is showing 10724, then 9. This number 24 is the pips. That's the pips. Okay, now the market moves in pips. If the market moves 1 pip up, okay, and now how do you calculate how much you make or you lose in the forex market is by taking, let's say this is your spread up here. This is your spread. Okay, now the spread, if you move it 1 decimal point to the left, to the right, then you get the amount in dollar. So in this particular case, if you move 1 decimal place to the right, you're going to have 2, which means that for every 1 pip that the market moves, it will cost you either a $2 gain or a $2 losses. Okay, that's how it works. Either a $2 gain or a $2 losses. So that's how the forex market moves. So you can if you had so much money, you can risk. Let's say if I was using like, let's say 10 here, then it means that for me to know how much I'll gain or lose in 1 pip move in the market, I move the decimal point 1 place to the right, which becomes 100. It means that if the market moves 1 pip, I'll either gain or lose $100. Okay, so you don't want to risk that much. Okay, you have to take proper risk management when you deal with the forex market. It's better to grow your account slowly than to risk losing everything in 1 move. Okay, so now on this lower part where we have these numbers, you have to put like here, where I'm currently typing right now. That is where you enter your take profit. Take profit means that when the market moves to this particular level, this software should automatically take your profit and close your trade. Your trade should close automatically once the market gets to this particular point. But then on the other left side where you have the red line, it is called the stop loss, which means that you're saying that if in case I enter the market and the market did not go in my direction, but the market went the other way, when it gets to this particular number, please sign me out. Okay, so it means that you're saying if it goes to my direction, when it gets to this point, I want to take my profit. But if it goes against me, instead for you, because without a stop loss, the market can go against you and you can lose your capital. Okay, but you have to put the losses, which means that in case it goes against me while I'm sleeping and it gets to this point, please automatically close the trade, close it for me, and save me for another day. That's what this means. So I'm going to, okay, we're going to enter a trade. Before we enter our trade, it's good to always see the chart. Okay, first of all, open the chart and see how the market is moving right now. The market is kind of selling. Okay, the market is kind of selling on this particular time frame. So if I analyze the market properly and I decided maybe to enter this market, right, I could say I want to go with if I'm selling, it means it's going down, right? It means that you're going down. Okay, selling means going down. So it means that I could say my take profit should be like 107. Let's say 15, for example. It means that I'm going for about 9 pips. Okay, then I put my stop loss. Let's say I'm going for stop loss of 107, and I'm saying that in case it buys and it goes and it gets to, let's say, 30, it should take me out. Okay, because right now it's on 24. It means that if it continues to buy while I'm selling, but it gets to 24, which means, it should just it should automatically close the trade for me. So I'm going to enter a sell. So you see, we just enter the trade right now. Our trade, the trade will always start on a minus, because when you enter a trade, what happens is that the brokers have to take their money before the trade begins to move. Okay, let's say that's called the spread. How the broker is the person that you're trading on his platform. They make money when you trade. It means that for every trade they have a particular percentage that they have to take. So when your trade starts, it will start on the minus and then it will begin to move. You see, it started on -5. Right now it is on minus 0.93. Now if it continues to sell, then it's going to go into profit. Then you see it will turn from red to green. Okay, so that's how you trade in the forex market. I hope this video, you see, right now we are making profit already. You see, we're making money. That's already money. That's money there, right? That's money. You see, it started with -5, but right now we are on positive. So we are making money live and direct. That's how you make money on the forex market. But make sure you do good, you study, and you do good analysis. I'm going to put a link in this video on the description, a link to the best forex academy that you might want to join. You see, money is entering, man. Money is entering while we are live. This is live money on the forex. So I'm going to close this trade right now. Okay, so I hope this video has been helpful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and God bless.